If you live in Westerville, Ohio, and you are downsizing or looking to sell your Westerville house because you're thinking of downsizing at some point in the near future, this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerton with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we have been working with people in Westerville, home sellers and homeowners and residents in Westerville, Ohio, to buy their house as is, fast, for cash, very flexible, very easy, but most of all, very fair. So we understand, we get a lot of calls every single month from people downsizing. We've worked with hundreds of people in your same situation. We understand you're probably just wanting to sell. You're not desperate. You're just wanting to sell because maybe you want something smaller. Maybe you're an empty nester. Maybe you're moving in with or closer to a family. Maybe you just want something with less upkeep. Less maintenance involved. That's perfectly acceptable. It's very normal. And we understand you don't want to have to give the house away. You're not going to be giving the house away. We're going to be fair with you because we're local. We're not some call center that's located in some distant foreign land who is trying to pull one over on the residents here of Westerville, Ohio. No, I have family in Westerville. I was just there over the holidays, right? It's perfectly fine. If you have a house in Westerville, Ohio, you want to be treated fairly, we're able to do that, but we're also going to keep everything very convenient for you. And we do that because we're an as-is buyer. That means we can buy the house in its as-is condition. You don't have to do any repairs. No updates, no credits to us, no cleaning, no hauling anything away. You don't even have to take anything with you. If you have a bunch of stuff, take with you what you want to your new place or your new living situation. Anything you don't want, we'll either donate it to a local church or Habitat for Humanity or just dispose of it for you. But we want to keep this as simple as possible. And we're able to close on your timeline. And this is very important, but it's often overlooked. So when we're buying your Westerville house and it's as is condition, what allows us to do this is we're going to pay cash for the property. This is not like a traditional buyer who is working with a realtor, then that realtor wants a commission, and then this buyer needs to qualify for a loan, and we all have to wait with our fingers crossed, and hopefully they're approved. Hopefully the bank doesn't pull the rug out from this entire thing and leave you right back to square one where you wasted a whole bunch of time. It is not a traditional type of situation at all. This is the easy button. This is going to be convenient for you. It's going to be fair. It's going to be in its as-is condition. We can close quickly if that's what you need. If that's going to accommodate your needs, or we can create flexibility. If you need something to happen before we can set a closing date, whatever the case may be, we're going to be flexible. We're going to be easy. We're going to be transparent. And when you call us, our number here is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. But when we get on the phone, there's no pressure, obligations. It's not a script or a sales tactic or a gimmick. We're local. We're not far from you right now. Here, I'm at Easton. We have an office right here in Columbus. And we're going to have a very easy conversation. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Westerville house. If our offer works for you, fantastic. We'll move forward, keep it simple, communicate effectively. You're always going to know where we're at in the process. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll shake hands, we'll part as friends, and there's no pressure or no crime, no foul. We're not going to leave you a bad taste in your mouth, and at least now you know what your options are. So if you have a house in Westerville, Ohio, and you're looking to sell because you're downsizing, give us a call at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Payerton, and I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.